was a bright, sunshiny day on Sodor. Fuck, I overshot the platform again. Hey Thomas, nice to see you. If it isn't the green engine. My name's Percy. I'm just calling you green because blue's the best color for any engine. Well, I like my green paint. Well, only important engines get the color blue. How dare you? Well, it's a busy day, Percy. I'm going now. Goodbye. Later that day at the coaling plant. Okay, I've got a couple questions. Number one, why is my face different? And number two, why am I resting at a coaling plant? I mean, I could rest in one of the sheds, but no, I decided to come here instead. Hopefully nothing bad happens, though. Alright, you troublesome trucks, you better behave. Let's instantly just be rude and horrible. Yeah, let's cause an accident. Let's cause a big accident. Okay, the coal's about to come. Lol, Percy, look out. And by the way, watch out for the edge of the set. The edge of the what? The last loads poured down onto the track. Help! I'm choking! Help! Oh my god, Percy, that's not funny. I'm almost choking to death right now. And yet, all you do is laugh at the situation. I hate you so much. The next day. Percy, are you thirsty? Yeah. Go over there and have a drink. So, Thomas, if I follow the track, will it take me to the water tower? Sure, Percy. Okay. Not the cow! It was a wonderful day on the island of Sodor. Thomas, why are we at the scrapyard again? For plot convenience. What's that over there? I'm so fucking sad. Why are you crying, Coach? They call me Old Slow Coach. Probably because you're about to die. Percy, that's not nice to say to a woman. That's a woman. I'll sue you for slander for that. Well, they've done worse to me. They beat me up and stole my milk money. You know, if you're gonna be a little bitch about it, how about I just give you milk? You're really giving me milk? Sure. Just so you shut the fuck up. Thank you. Now can you save me? Thomas, we've gotta find a place for this coach. Why exactly, Percy? So I don't have to listen to her bitchin'. Later that day, Thomas and Percy were just sitting somewhere. It's not like it's just on the bed. It's just on this bed. Save me! Thomas, we've been looking for 5 hours and I can't find a place. Percy, you took me to do this for nothing, really. It's not for nothing. We've still got, like, I don't know. Okay, there's no more places on Soda left to use. That's what I said. You wasted my time. Suddenly. Pretend that's on fire.
Holy shit, Thomas. That tub is on fire.
Oh my fucking god, Percy. You are right. We better call Fireman Sam.
Well, the fire's been put out. But where will those workmen live now, Percy?
I'm special!
Ah, it's such a beautiful day to take a journey across my branch line. And there's the house I crashed into a couple months ago. I killed a family. Hey, I wonder who's that over there?
Hello, Thomas.
How do you know my name?
I watch you on the television.
Yeah, I'm pretty famous on TV. Why are you here, exactly?
Oh, Thomas, I really want to sponsor Pepsi.
Oh, you're a Pepsi tanker who wants me to sponsor Pepsi, because I'm blue.
Yes, we want your face on our cans.
Dude, I'm not a fucking sellout.
They're paying $1 billion for this ad campaign.
On second thoughts, I'll take that ad campaign. I want $1 billion. Thomas then sold his soul to the Pepsi company, and then died. Oh, the indignity. I can't believe the fat ass is making me pull dirty trucks. Who are you calling dirty, you son of a bitch?
La 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 la, what a beautiful day it is to be on this track. Wait a minute, what's coming towards me?
Oh, Grown Gordon, get out of my way!
Oh my god, it's Gordon with the Express! What the hell are you doing in the middle of the tracks, Percy?
Gotta go by.
Hey, Thomas. Are these express coaches for me?
James, those are for Gordon.
Well, the VAT controller says I can take them now. And those trucks for me? Huh, give them the Gordon. That's what the VAT controller said.
Okay, if you say so.
Hey, wait a minute. These aren't my express coaches.
Well, James told me that he was pulling the express today. And you were to pull this goods train.
But I don't want to pull stinky trucks. Okay, that is the last time you're making fun of me. Oh no, they're pushing me.
I'm sick of all these steam engines pulling the express. Well, today's the day a diesel's going to pull it. Oh god, I crashed. Wait a minute. I was sabotaged.
Thomas's train too.
You blue bitch.
Hello, Edward. How are you doing today? Well, Thomas, I'm doing quite fine. How are you doing today? Look at my face. I'm not doing fine. I mean, my face is all wrinkled up. For God's sake, help me, Edward. Help me! Help me!
Duck is very proud of being a bitch.
Great Western! There are two ways of doing things. The Great Western way or the wrong way. And you don't want to see what the fuck the wrong way is!
It just keeps tumbling.